Let's directly go to the question part which we were discussing it, that a circular field which has an area of 2464, and how long it will take for a person to bicycle around it. Around it means circumference. So at a speed of 2.5 meter per second. Yes, my friends, can you answer the question? Can you answer the question? सर चार्ट अगर नहीं दिखेगा तो किसी को दिख रहा है या नहीं दिख रहा है कैसे मालूम चलेगा? ओके, हाँ, ओके, आई कैन स्टार्ट. So please clarify, my voice, audio and video both are clear? Can someone confirm? Can someone confirm the audio and video both are clear? May I request someone confirm audio video is clear, audible? Am I audible? Clear. Okay, let's begin here. The question is that a circular field has an area of 2464 square meter. How long will it take for a person to bicycle go around with a speed of 2.5 meter per second? So first we have the area here. I need to find out the perimeter. Okay, now I'll do it. That is 22 by 7, that is pi r square, and r square which is equal to 2464. It is given here. So we have cancelled this one in the previously. That is, it gives us 117. It 112. It gives us 112 r square. So when I multiply this one, I am getting this as 784. Am I right? 12 7 is 84. When r square is 784, then what is r? The r will be 28. And once I get the r value, then I need to find out the perimeter, and the perimeter is 2 pi r. So let's write down that. That is 2 into 22 by 7 and into r, that is 28. This is the distance, and this distance has to be covered with a speed of 2.5 meters. That means divided by 5 by 2. Divided by 5 by 2, that means in other words 2 by 5. Yes, now I am sure you will be knowing the answer, how to get the answer here. So cancel this one, this gets cancelled 4 times, and 4 into 2, 8, 8 to 16, and 16 into 2 is 32, carry 3, and 16 to again is 32 plus 3 is 39. I need to divide this by 5. Now can you notice that 5 7 is 35, and I left with 4 here, and the next 7 5 is 35. So something going wrong. Let me correct over here. Let me correct over here. So let's first find it out what is our perimeter is. So 2 pi r, that is the perimeter. So cancel this one, this gets cancelled 4 times. 4 into 2 is 8, and 8 to 16, carry 1, and 16 and 1, 17. This is the perimeter, and this perimeter has to be covered with a speed of 2.5 meters. How much time will it take? So for that, 176 is the distance, and the speed is 5 by 2. 5 by 2. Can you please tell me the answer, my friend? So the answer will be nothing but you are noticing now, that is 2 6 is 12, carry 1, and 17 2 is 34 plus 1 is 35, I need to divide this by 5. So 5 7 is 35, and then 0 2 by 5. This should be the result. That means the timing taken is 72 by 5. That is option C. Okay. Moving on to the next question, my friends. Will you please try to answer the question? Will you please try to answer the question? Naveen distributed his property between 5 sons and 4 daughters in the ratio of 8:5. Okay. And it is also said that he distributed each son equally and each daughter equally. Okay, what is the next statement? If the share of each son is rupees 3,500 more than that of each daughter, find the total amount of the property distributed. Okay, I'll wait for 30 seconds. Try this question. Try this question. I'll wait for 30 seconds. This is a very important question. Very good question and important question. It says that for 5 sons and 5 daughters, the money is distributed in the ratio of 8:5. If I consider this as 8x and 5x, so this 5 sons gets how much money? 8x money. And it is said that each son is getting equally. That means this 5x money is divided to 5 sons equally. And it is also said that each son is getting 3,500 more than that of each daughter. So let's say that the son minus each daughter is given the value. How much each son will get? That is 8x, and there are 5 sons are there. So that is 8x by 5. This is each son. How about each daughter? Minus the all 4 daughters got 5x rupees equally. That is 5x divided by 4. This money is about each son, and this is about each daughter. So that is son minus daughter. Here son gets 3,500 more, each son. So which is equal to 3,500. Now I am sure by solving the equation I will be getting the x value, and you are asked to find out the total money distributed. And the total money is 8x plus 5x, which is 13x. So find it out, my friends. Your 30-second time starts now. Your 30-second time starts now. Yeah, try this one. It's a very good question about the ratio proportion. Chali, and answer this. You still have some time. Answer this. It's probably another half an hour we will discuss, and whatever we are discussing, all are the very good questions. Okay, your time up. Now, anyone answered it? Okay, let's check that. How do I solve this one? The LCM is 20 over here. Then 8 4 is 32. 32x minus 25x, which is equal to 3500. This is what is given us. So here I am getting 7x. 7x, cancel that number by 7x. You get over here, that is 520. So x is equal to 1000. Hope I am clear. Now what is the total money? 8x plus 5x, that is 13x. So if x is equal to 1000, then 13x is equal to, is it 1000? Because here it is 50 and 10,000. Okay, this value is 10,000 when it multiplies. 10,000. When x is equal to 10,000, then what is 8x plus 5x? 13x. 13x will be 1,30,000. So my answer should be 1,30,000. Anyone answer the question? So where is that? 1,30,000? Option A. Just practice it for half an hour. Moving to next question. 1,30,000. Look at this. It's a very interesting question which was there in 2019 paper. It says that a person buys an article at a discount of K%. You will learn how to answer the questions when variable comes on the listed price. Obviously, the discount is given on the listed price. Now, for how much the person buys? For rupees 5,200. Is it after discount? Obviously, because he has bought it and that means the selling price will be after discount. Now it says that he sells the same article for rupees 2,875 and he gets a profit of K%. Then what is the value of K? Think about it, how to answer the question. If someone can answer the question, answer it, my friend. Answer it. Think of it, how to do it. I'll give just some clue here. This is what the cost he bought it after getting a discount of K%. Okay. A person bought an article at a discount of K% on the listed price. So that is, this is listed price. There's a mark price. So what you do is, you will take that 5,200 and there is a discount of K%. That means the selling price will be 100 minus K by 100. 100 minus K. Suppose अगर discount 10% होता तो आप क्या करते? If the discount is 10%, that means the selling price is 90% of the mark price. How do you get this 90%? So that is, this is discount. Here mark price is 100 minus 10 by 100. That's how you get the 90%, which is nothing but 90 by 100. So suppose if this value is K, if this is K% discount, then what will be the selling price? The selling price will be 100 minus K by 100. This will be the selling price. The same thing is applied over here. There is a discount, this is mark priced and there is a discount of K%. Then what will you do here? That is 100 minus K by 100, you are getting the selling price. And he sells it for rupees 4,875, getting a profit of K%. So what I got over here is his cost price. Now he makes a profit of K%. That means the 100 plus K by 100. Multiply this, because we know if a person has bought an article for rupees 20,000 and he sells it, this is CP, and he sells it at a profit of 20%, then what is the selling price? How do you find it out? So you know how to find it out. That is 20,000 into 100 plus 20, you do that. 100 plus 20 by 100, this is your selling price. So here in place of 20%, we have K% profit. If it is K% profit, how do you write this one? 100 plus K by 100. So do the same thing over here. That is, take this one. Now the selling price will be 100 plus K by 100. This is what the selling price is, which is equal to, how much is that? 4,875. Now by solving this equation, you get the K value. That is what K is asked. Will you please try, my friend? I will give you 30 seconds for this. Please try this. Please try this. Once 30 seconds is over, I will answer this question. 4 more seconds you have. 3, 2, and time up. Chill. So I will do the simplification part now. I am sure most of you must be comfortable over here. Is it not? It is in the form of a minus b, and this is a plus b. And we know the algebraic formula that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So here I will take 100 square minus k square, which is equal to, what will happen here? Cancel this 0 over here. So this 100 will go there and will be divided by 52. So that means 4875 into 100 divided by 52. You get this part? Okay, fine. So the moment you get the value of this, you will be able to find out the k square also, k value. Okay, what comes over here? Anyone? Okay, 9375, yeah, that's right. So here it comes 9375. Now I will take the k square the other side. Once I take the k square the other side, then what happens? This is 10,000. From 10,000, if you take out 9,375, you are left with 625. And we know that this is 25 square. So what is the value of k? The value of k is 25. That should be your answer. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you. Let's check that 25 is the correct answer or not. Yes, it's correct. Now, come to the next question here and see what is there in this question. First, I will read the question, then I will give 30 seconds for you to answer it. Okay. Madan bought a certain number of mangoes at a total cost of rupees 2,500. Certain number of mangoes. Okay. Now he sold 1/5 of the mangoes at 15% loss. 1/5 of the mangoes. Next, half of the remaining. What is half of the remaining? If you sold 1/5, then the remaining is 4/5. So what is half of 4/5? Which is nothing but 2/5. So this is sold at a profit, at a loss of. Here this part is sold at a loss of 15%, and this part is sold at a profit of 5%. That's what the question given here, and he says that and the remaining at 5%. Half of the remaining at 5% profit, and he overall makes a profit of 10% overall. That means what about the remaining 2/5? I don't know how much is the profit or loss in the remaining 2/5. I will consider that this is X%. And will that be profit or loss? Here there is a loss. And on 5% of 2/5, here it is a profit. There must be profit over here, then only he will get overall 10% profit. Then the question is that what profit percentage did he sell the rest of the mango? The rest of the mango means this 2/5. Hope you are understanding it. Now let's go for 30 seconds. Try to answer these questions. Okay, 27.5, Appal Naidu. Shall I check the answer? You are very good, Appal Naidu. I noticed that you are really, really good. Really, really good. Okay, 10 more seconds is there. And after that, I'll explain this question. And I'm so happy that Appal Naidu performance is very good. Let me check the answer. Is Appal Naidu is correct? Yes, that's right. Option D, sir. Okay. So I understood that you know that trick. That is 1 means minus, as it is loss, minus 1 by 5 of 15%. And here there is a profit, therefore plus 2/5 at 5% profit, so into 5. And plus here it is a profit, what percentage profit I don't know, X% profit, so into X. And that gives you the total 10% profit. That's over, Appal Naidu. Well done, sir. So I will just remove these figures and then see that what it comes here. Then I notice that here minus 3 and here when it gets cancelled plus 2 and plus 2x by 5, which is equal to 10. Okay. Now here it is minus 1 will go the other side is a plus 1, that is 11. And the 11 into 5 is 55 and 55 by 2. So rightly said x is equal to 55 by 2, which is nothing but 27.5% is the one represents x. Well done, sir. Well done. Next question on the board is this. Quadratic equation. You know that you are going to write the exam, some quadratic equation will be there. So what is your answer? Let me write down the signs here for x and also for y. So minus, first sign always changes, the minus will become plus, and the minus do not change the next sign, it is plus. And again this is minus plus, same is there, so both the numbers will be plus and plus. Okay. I will just give you 30 seconds. Can you answer it? Can you answer it? You know the quadratic equation comes on almost every examination of bank, except in some cases. I am giving 30 seconds to you. Try this. And I will wait for video got stuck. Is it video got stuck? देखिए फिर वीडियो स्टक हो गया. आपको दिख रहा है? Anusha, option D. Is the video is clear? Anusha, can you please tell me the video is clear? Is it clear or not clear? Is it clear or not clear? Please write down your comment. Clear, sir, video and audio. Okay. Then and you have answered the question D. Let me check the option D. That means you are talking about option 4. Okay, let's check that what is the value we get over here. Can I write down this 8 into 4? Can I write down this as 3 into 4 is 12. Then if I take this as 16 into 2, if I take this 16 into 2, then 16 4 is 64, no, 16 3 is 48, 16 3, 48 and 8. That's right, I am getting over here 48 and 8. I get 40. So that is 48 divided by 12. You will get a 4 over here, and 8 divided by 12. That is 2 by 3. So let it be 2 by 3. Okay. The next one, what about this one? That's I need the 40 over here, and again 48. Can I write down 16 into 3? And here that's 8 can be written as That's 4 into 2. So will I get the 40 here? That 16 2 is 32 and 4 3 is 12. No. So then 16, it can be written as 8 into 6. Let's write down this as 8 into 6. So how do I get 32? That is this 16 and 16 plus 24. 16 plus 24, no? Then I get this as 3 into 16. Can I write down this part in this way? 16 into 3. Let's remove this one. That is 16 into 3. And 8 3 is 24. No, I need to break this one. 4 into 2. And 12 and 32. No, 16 4. 64. No. If I write this as 8 into 6, 12, 12 into 4. Suppose if I write this number as 12 into 4, okay. Now 12, this is 8 and okay, that's right. 12 4 is 48 minus 8. No, 16 and here it is 24. No. Can anyone suggest the values? How to break this number? How to break this number? That is 8 and let that be 8 into 6. If I write this number as 8 into 6, then what happens? 8 into 6. 64, 16, no. Can I write this as 3 into 2? So this is 12 and 32, no. Anyone can break the number? That is 2 into 4, that's 8 and 48. That's 2, 4, 8 and 48. Okay, I was unnecessarily working on that. The difference between these two is 40. That's over. So this all writing is waste. 48 minus 8 is clearly visible. I missed that. So I can write down this as 48 and 8. Then 48 divided by 8. It comes how many times? 6 times. 48 divided by 8. 8 divided by 8, it is 1. Now, when I look at this part, plus 4 and plus 6, then plus 4 is less. The next one, plus 4 and then plus 1. Here it is greater, as I am getting contradictory relation. Therefore, the question cannot be answered. My option choice has to be 5. Okay. So, one last question. This is the last question of the class. What is that? This x and this is y. Take the x value and the y value. So the plus will become minus and the plus will change the next sign minus. The plus will become minus and both are minus. This is the last question of the class. Now you notice that here I can break this number as 7 and 11. And this number can be written as 3 and 5. Right? So when I take that, 7, 5 is 35. and 11 into 3 is 33. Then I get the sum 68. Now 35 divided by 15. I get the 7 by 3. My first number is 7 by 3. The second number is 33 divided by 15. That is 11 by 5. Hope it is clear. 11 by 5. Let's come to y value. Here 68 is there. I know 17 into 4 is 68 and 4 that is 12 and 17. These are the two values. 17 divided by 3. How much I get? 5 2 by 3. So this is 5 2 by 3. And what is the next one? That is 12 by 3, which is 4. So the relation is very clear here, that 7 by 3, which is 2 1 by 3. So numerically smaller, value wise greater than this, and also it is greater than this. Coming to this part, there is also 2 1 by 5. So value wise this is greater because the numbers are negative. This is also greater. So finally I can say that x is greater than this one, x is greater than y. Right, my friends? So let me inform you that we are running the course on IBPS Clerk and PU. The notification is out, everyone is getting ready to write these examinations. So we have a free enrollment for this week. And how do you enroll? You can visit the ACE online.com, or you can download the ACE app through Google Play. The fees initially will show as rupees 2,999, but this is not the actual fees you have to pay if you are enrolling before this week. You need to pay only 1 rupee. That means the course is completely free, provided you use the code, that is IBPS 100. So you don't need to pay any money. That's only 1 rupee will be debited from your account. Now the classes are going in this way. The first class is of English 9 to 10:30. The second class is reasoning, which is 11 to 12:30. And the third class is quantitative aptitude, which is 2 to 3:30. So don't miss this opportunity with a free enrollment. Please join the class and listen all our paid courses. Yes, my friends, with this, thank you. All the best to all of you. Thank you very much.